Beautiful morning from the Brandon Experience. I am finding that I'm struggling so bad with regular scripted content. So I said, you know what, today I'm just going to hop on camera and I'm going to update you all on some questions that I have been seeing. We have done the initial unboxing and review of CECRED by Beyonce, but what about this? I don't see this talked about a lot, and I think it's because it just feels daunting to you know, gotta mix it up, and I don't always feel like I have time. It's just easier if I need strength to grab this reconstructing mask. But this is something unique, and I have a couple extra minutes today, so we're going to check this out together. So the fermented rice and rose protein ritual is designed to strengthen your hair. So you would not use that and the reconstructor at the same time. You can follow it up with something that's moisturizing. You are a person that does not have chemically treated hair, your hair isn't thermally styled often, your protein needs might not be as high as if someone you had bleach blonde hair. The cool thing about this is the second step is supposed to silk and soften your hair, so it works as like a dual purpose. Some strengthening products have been known in the past to leave the hair feeling rigid, so they've come up with like a really nice way to do this. It's not new technology. Fermented rice has been used in beauty for a very long time, but I'm happy to see it hitting mainstream in this fashion. So we'll be shaking up a little hair cocktail today. I will be following it up with the full line. This is just foundational. These products are not stylers fully. This, they say, has like a very light hold, but you still can use the products that you like along with it. This is about strengthening your hair, establishing a good routine, and using good products to get your hair like nice and clean and then rehydrate it. I have my final thoughts I'm going to give you about the line too. There's something missing from this line, and I think that it would make the line make more sense. So we're going to talk about that too after. So after your double cleansing with your shampoo, you can go in with the fermented rice powder. It comes in packets. Number one, 5 minutes. Number two, 5 minutes. And you put this on after you rinse. So 5 minutes, rinse. Put this on 5 minutes, and then rinse. So step one is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. So this is going to help set your foundation up. What I found interesting about this product, not only is it invigorating and very cleansing for the scalp, but it's also a chelating agent. So it's going to help to remove some of those effects of hard water. I always follow up any clarifying shampoo with something hydrating. But as you can see here, some of the comments before said it doesn't lather. That was just one use. So following that up with the hydrating shampoo, and no, you don't need a ton of these products. That was even too much. The hydrating shampoo is honey infused, like a lot of the line, and it's really designed to increase your hydration for your hair. It has a really good slip to it. It has an amazing fragrance. Of the two shampoos, I think the hydrating is my favorite. So now it's time to go in with our treatment. This is what the video is all about, the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. I got every drop out of the bottle, and I'm surprised how much it made. So if you have thick hair, it's going to be enough. You have to use step two though. This step two is designed to make your hair soft again, and it is this gives you that slip back. It slid right out of my hands. You let it sit for 5 minutes, rinse with warm water, and then if you need additional moisture, feel free to condition. This is straight out of the shower after the rose protein ritual was complete. And that second step, which was the silk rinse, after the rice water is going to feel very firm and strong. That helps to soften everything. So I'm going to follow that up with the moisture sealing lotion. Again, this isn't like a strong styler, so if you're looking for something that's going to give you hold, or you're used to like a hair gel, or you're used to a foam, this isn't it. I'm still going to apply my styling products. This is working more so as my leave-in conditioner today. So my final thoughts, I don't know if this is going to be something I would use in salon often. For regular services, this would be great for an upgrade or a specialty service because it's kind of involved. You're doing the shaking, you're putting on a performance, or it's like a ritual. I think that aspect of it is really cool, especially if you have time, you're at home, you just really want to self-care and take care of yourself, this product is going to be perfect for that. If you need something fast and you just want to get it done, I feel like the reconstructing treatment mask may be a better option for you. Maybe even in the salon, this would be a better go. And then my final thoughts on everything is this deep conditioner is not a conditioner like a regular conditioner. It is a heavy hitter. It is thick. It is literally like, it's thick. And I feel like it's not the strongest product for detangling because of that. So when they release a conditioner, I feel like the line will be complete. Right now, it's a really good line. It gets you started. You can address challenges really nicely with this line. So your hydration can be addressed and your strengthening can be addressed. So if you're looking for that, I still recommend CECRED. I think it's a good line, but we do need a conditioner, and eventually we're going to need some styling products. So great foundation series as they have introduced it as. And I think my favorite product is probably this oil. The oil's good. I have used this oil on my beard. I've used it in a variety of settings. Be careful because it is concentrated. I really like the oil. And prior to soak press and styling, this sealing lotion is good because it has a tiny bit of memory. So if you're doing any type of curl work, if you use just a little bit of this before, I think you're going to have really nice results. So this is CECRED. Part whatever this was. All right, I got to go to work. Bye.
I can be your